Good morning guys, it's Jenny here from Just Jenny Journaling. Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an unusual video for me. I'm excited actually though, because it's going to be my first journal with me video. Trying a new setup, and because I've always used my tripod before, it's been really hard then to try and have the overhead view to do the journal with me sessions. But anyway, trying out a new overhead set up now, so that allows me to do this with you. So usually when I come in with my daybook, I show you kind of, I've done all this. Well, I've put the numbers in, but I've never shown you how I journal in them. So we're going to start this month. It's quite unusual, to be fair, because I've been making the book, the journal, and filming as I go. It's been a little bit a slow process for me. So I haven't actually started using this. It's the 19th of March today. So I have been journaling in my winter day book. I have, so all of March so far is in my winter day book. So usually I'd start from the 1st of the month, but we're going to start from the 19th this month. But it would still give you an idea of what I do. And in April, we can start from the 1st. So the first thing that I do as I go through is, actually, this is what I've done since I've been off camera last. I've just added this for one of my, for my stash. And I just cut it out, popped it in. I like the pinking sheer effect and placed it on that side. So we know it's definitely March. I'm going to keep this as is because I love it. I might put a little, maybe a month review underneath this. I'm not sure. Do a bit of secret journaling, or I might just leave it as it is because it's beautiful. I'm going to leave that as well as an introduction. I love it, just to enjoy. So my first journaling page is going to be this one here. And I use, sometimes I stamp, but I really enjoy using these sticker numbers for my days, my dates. Sometimes I go in with a, sometimes I stamp, but I love these. Now, I'm going to say that I did actually have I bought a brand new pack. Let me see, where would I put that? Shall I pop it? Yeah, I'm going to pop it there. I bought a brand new pack of these with all the colours. Yeah, with all the colours under the sun. I think there were about 10 in a pack. And then just before I switched the camera on, I was looking for these and I couldn't find my new pack. So I'm working here with the remainder of my last pack of stickers that I have in my stash. So I've got limited colours, but not to worry. I'm sure I'll find the new ones as soon as I switch the camera off. But you see, I go through and I think hard about actually where I'm going to place the number stickers for the dates. As I go through, I like to try and work with the page, maybe put the stickers where it draws the eye. Maybe it might actually be in an opposite direction to a feature or as part of a feature on the page. And I do really enjoy popping the colours together. I decide sometimes I'd have literally one page for a day. This time round I've got quite a lot of space, so I'm going to do 2 pages for a day. And from the week leading up to 24th, it's a very busy week for me, so I'll be losing quite a few pages, and on the 24th I'm leaving quite a lot as well. So really enjoy doing this, and it's usually done off camera. I usually sort of do my flip through when all this is done. So again, as you can see, I'm trying to work with the colours that I've got and popping the pages in as we go, popping the dates in until we finally get to the 30th, and then looking at the couldn't remember if we got to the 31st of March. And I've got quite a lot. I can do my song lyrics, original song lyrics for the month, and yeah, generally I could just journal about March, but I might start April early. I might start April here. Right, so the next thing we're going to do, once I've got the numbers in, is I'll do my word of the day stamp and my daily text scripture. Right, so I've got my daily scripture for the month, the daily scripture up on my app. And what I like to do is go through the beginning of the month, and I put them in for each day. And then on the day, what I do is basically look at the comments on it, write my own thoughts down as well. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll just start with Tuesday, March the 19th. And there will be some additional scriptures, which just for this week, I'll write down the bottom as well. So I'll probably speed this up, because to do it in real time would be a little bit of a chore for you guys. But there you go. Right, I'm just going to make a start. Oh, I got a bit of a shadow there. Okay. So, as you can see here, I've started off by writing kind of, now what's the word? That's vertically, isn't it? I tend to, I do enjoy the variety on my different pages, working around the images that are on the page. I enjoy choosing different colours as well, different coloured pens to go with, to complement the shades of the colours on the images on the pages. Here I did try like a chalk pen that I bought. Didn't work out as well as I thought, so I think I went back over this with a gold Sharpie, I think, on the black page. And I really need to look at, I think, white Posca pens, I think I've seen recommended for kind of like a chalkboard thingy vibe. Anyway, so you see I'm speeding through and I'm just writing, it's just a scripture that I'm writing at the moment. And then I'll go back in daily basis and write on the comments. So, yeah, that's kind of my process. And I'd normally go through the whole month. Starting on the 1st, which I'll probably do from April. You appreciate that it's been a really busy couple of weeks. So I filmed this video 2 weeks ago, just getting to edit it to share it with you guys. I hope it still be useful though. Yeah, hope it still be useful. Yeah, and the pens that I tend to love using in my journal for this sort of work is either ARTEZA or Sarasa, pens that I get from Amazon, either 0.5 or 0.7. They do beautiful colours, and they don't they dry really quickly, so they don't smudge when you're working over your pages. Now I tend to try with my daughter, we try and have we've got a little app where we learn a new word every day, just to improve our vocabulary. It's good for both of us, and so I pop that in my journals. And what I've been doing over the last few months, rather than writing it all out, I've actually just been stamping it like this. Okay, word of the day, well, abbreviating it. And it's because I have these little lovelies. I don't know if I shared this a little while ago, did I? This was back in lockdown when I was doing lots of bullet journaling as well. These little lovelies are from Amazon. You can get them lowercase, you can get them uppercase as well. And you just take them to bits, which is lovely. And then you form the words that you want. I need to actually add some uppercase. You know, sometimes you're on a budget, aren't you, and you can't do everything all at once. But that's how they just slot in. And I can't remember what they're called. Maybe interlockable letters. You can search them on Amazon or anywhere else that you normally go to. So I've abbreviated my word of the day. And then I'm just going to use different, what shall I use? I've got some ink pads. I might try and go through quite quickly, sort of black, brown, maybe a bit of green. So I might go through black first and then wipe the pads, then wipe them, you know, wipe the ink off. Then I might do a little bit of colour. So, or shall I go for brown first? I don't really know. I've got to decide where I'm going to place it as well. So I'll do that now. And you can just see, you know, you get the gist, don't you? You get the gist. Then after this, we'll actually just do my first, we'll actually journal together for today, the 19th. So I've just gone through with the first lot of stamping using espresso truffle, which is a dark brown. And then I'm just going to use, I've decided for some of the bluer, I'm going to try and use a little bit of the chipped sapphire. This is quite an old one, so I'm hoping there's still a little bit of it left. So it's like a mini. So I've just cleaned off. I just think it looks a bit softer. Let's pop that just there like so. So I go through and look at the pages where I feel I'd like to add the chipped sapphire, and then I add those, and then I have a quick look round and see what else I'd like to add. That's looking lovely. And then I decide that I want to add some of this lovely green. So I go through and I add some of the green and some of the rusty hinge as well to different pages to perfect the look. Right, so now we're all set to just start my journaling, my first lot of journaling in this spring day book. So I've just got the pens ready that I fancy. I've got my word of the day on my app. And so I've just had a little consideration of the commentary on this text. And I'm just going to sort of make a few notes, personal notes on that. Then I'll go on to do the word of the day. And then what's going to happen is that my personal journaling for today, I will do tomorrow morning when I do my commentary on the daily text and word of the day. So then I can review what's happened today. I'm not a night person, I'm an early bird. So I know some people, we're all different, aren't we? Comment down below as to when you do your journaling. I'm great first thing in the morning. By 6 o'clock, my brain kind of closes down. So the next morning's a great time for me to review the day. Right, so here we go. So there we have it. That's my how I prepare my day book on a monthly basis for to use and enjoy it every day. Enjoy it every day. So that's my first entry that we've done today with my into my glorious spring day book, the first of the eclectic collection. It's really exciting. Loved how it turned out. looking forward to working through it. Looking forward to working through it. What I thought I may do is, I hope you found it useful. I'll try and do a few more of these. I'll also try and link below some of the supplies that I've used, if I can find the links, like to the pens and the clickable, what's it called? The clickable letters for stamping, and perhaps the metallic numbers as well. So do come and visit again. I shall be doing more shares, looking at different projects as well, in the next few days, moving on with the journals that I have on my desk. So thanks for joining me, and see you again. Bye-bye. Bye.